How the turtle got its shell. Long ago, the turtle did not have a shell. Instead, its back was soft and shiny with a sparkle of a million shiny stones and the most beautiful designs. The turtle stones made it the most beautiful creature in the desert, and it would go on long, slow walks to show it off. One day, a pack of rats saw the turtle. Since the rat loved collecting all things shiny, it scurried up to the turtle with the hope that maybe the rat could keep some of the stones. The rat asked, "Dear turtle, I love the beautiful brightness of your wonderful stones and was wondering if you would give me one or two." "Well, I'm so beautiful and have so many stones," the turtle thought, "I don't think it would hurt." So the turtle answered, "Yes, you may help yourself to the stones, but don't take too many." The pack rat took some stones and scurried off. As the turtle continued, the Gilda monster saw it shining back. The Gilda monster, then quite ugly, became sad seeing such a beautiful creature and began to cry. The turtle said, "Oh, poor Gilda monster, why do you cry?" "It is because I see your beauty, and I'm so ugly, I become sad," the Gilda monster replied in a quivering voice. The turtle, filled with compassion, said, "I shall give you a few of my stones, so then you may become as beautiful as I am." So the Gilda monster took 3 stones and rolled on them, crushing the rocks into tiny beads that stuck to the lizard forever. The turtle kept giving other creatures beauty, never worrying about losing its stones. The turtle thought it would always have enough to remain the most beautiful of all. The turtle was wrong. Suddenly it realized it had given away all of its precious stones. Filled with sadness because it was no longer the most beautiful of animals, the turtle began to walk. The turtle walked and walked until it came to a small tribal camp. The turtle had been there before and knew the elder quite well. When the elder saw the new plain turtle, he said, "Turtle, where have all your beautiful stones gone?" The turtle said, "Oh, great elder, what have I done? I have given away all my beauty, and now I'm left with a bare back," he replied. "I wish I could give you back your stones, but you should realize that you're still one of the most beautiful animals I know." Confused, the turtle asked, "How am I special without my stones? I'm nothing." "No, you are still very stunning because of your willingness and eagerness to help others. You see, my dear turtle, it is your kindness that makes you beautiful, not how you look." With this, the elder fashioned a small shell of clay. It had many shapes and designs that looked much like those of the turtle's rich back. Although its shell didn't have the wonderful brightness of the stones, the turtle felt more special ever, knowing that it had made so many others happy.